today's video, we are going to talk about paglilinis, and not just paglilinis but deep cleaning. Ang tagal-tagal ko nang gustong ipa-deep clean yung mga couch sa sala kasi si Tala, palagi niyang natatapunan ng milk. So, grabe ang stain. Others, ang presyo nila is 3,000, yung iba naman 3,500. Actually, depende sa kung gaano kalaki yung couch. Usually, magpapasend sila sa'yo ng photo. What made me decide to go for it this time is pwede mo na i-rent yung device nila na pinang-deep clean. For 48 hours, ni-rent ko si Hyla Pampanga na Defender and Ventus. So, for 48 hours, nilinis ko everything na I could linis on my own. Well, mas maganda actually kung may ka-alternate kayo para mas masulit nyo pa yung 24 or 48 hours na i-rent nyo yung device. Kasi ako, linis and then pahinga and then linis na naman and then pahinga. Pero kung may ka-alternate kayo and then dire-diretso yung linis. Papakita ko sa inyo lahat ng nalinis ko in 48 hours. Couch, beds, bed frame, dining chairs. Kayang-kaya niyang linisan yung mga screen ng windows and screen ng doors. Even yung mga barado na sink. So, yun nga. Instead, nagagastos ka ng 3,000 or 3,500 tapos yung sofa lang yung malilinis this time, gagastos ka ng more or less the same pero mas marami kang malilinis. And again, I suggest na gawin mo to sa time na you have the entire day to clean. Join me in my first ever Clean With Me vlog. Let's go! Hyla Pampanga is here! So, sila yung magde-demo ng units. Sinasama nyo talaga siya palagi? Hulo, ang cute! Ang cute-cute!
Distributed po siya sa 80 countries worldwide. 30 years na po siya sa market globally and 13 years na po siya dito sa Pilipinas.
So, ito yung sofa na nilinis nila kanina and ito yung hindi pa nalilinisan. So, as you guys can see, ayan, ang dami niyang stains and parang mas nag-dark yung color nito kasi maybe natanggal ng alikabok. Is darker, lighter. See the difference.
Novocaine, nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain sunk hills, sky color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight. Endless roads to the horizon. Past the oasis, it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above.
So, it's day 2 of our deep cleaning with Hyla Pampanga. And yesterday, yun nga, nilinis na namin tong couch. It's just that I totally forgot na dapat linisin ko rin pala tong likod na part. So, this afternoon, ito yung lilinisin ko. Last night, naglinis na rin ako ng 3 dining chairs off cam. May tinira akong 3 pa na dining chairs para mapakita sa inyo yung paglilinis nun. And even yung mga malalaking pillows na pang couch. Maglilinis din tayo this afternoon ng bed. Tara!
was still a thunder. Wake up at the right time. Looking at my love life. Say it was right. On and on, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Baby, take it south. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and on, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Butterflies, I'm turning gold. Count the skin around the butterfly. I could say that's so ambivalent. When it's time we shoot, it's so innocent. Blue sky on the back of a Ventus. Now we could go and let's with the light. Supernovas blow up, gotta get a hose up, even if I hold. Well, my friends don't care about everything, as long as you got a story to bring. We'll take you along, take you along, take you along to some other places. We drive towards the other horizon, maybe to spend a couple hundred till we run out, till we run out, till we run out of paper and change. So tell me if I'm starting to think so recklessly. I may just write a letter home to say goodbye to everyone and welcome to the show. Come and see the world in a different light and capture it with our eyes and take a risk and I just hope that I remember this, 'cause one day it is something I will miss. Well, my friends think I'm a different kind, but there's nothing wrong with sharing my mind to everyone else. Everyone else, everyone else will think that it's weird, so maybe I might start keeping it clean and bear with the whole unusual feeling. I'll be alright, we'll be alright, we'll be alright for 2 or 3 days. But after all the conversations have died out, I'll play the music from the beginning, and then we all just see it again. And welcome to the show. Come and see the world in a different light and capture it with our own eyes and take it. I just hope that I remember this, 'cause one day it is something I will miss.
So, I'm still using yung Hyla na pang steam, but this time, pinalitan natin yung nozzle niya. This is for, ano talaga, mga screen. So, gagamitin natin siya sa screen ng windows, pero pwede din siya sa mga screen doors.
Come and see the world in a different light and capture it with our eyes and take a risk and
You're the partner of the glory of the
out, I just want to share with you guys this other function niya because I'm not sure if na-mention ko na siya previously. This also works as an air purifier, air humidifier, air medication if maglalagay ka dito ng essential oils. Pwede, it depends actually kung ano ilalagay mo dito. As for me, I put disinfectant to clean the air. So, ang gagawin mo lang is, you turn it on, and then you don't put anything here kasi hindi naman tayo magva-vacuum. And then dito lalabas yung, ano ba yun? Dito lalabas yung parang hangin niya na malinis, ganon. Dito lalabas yung scent niya din, if scented yung inano mo. Turn it on. So, you can just leave it on for an hour, ganon, if you want to cleanse or purify the air or pabawin ng music. So, yeah, I'm just gonna leave it here and I guess this is the end of our 48 hours with Hyla Pampanga. Nag-enjoy ako kahit napagod ako, but actually na-realize ko nga na-miss ko nang workout eh. Ang sarap pagpawisan and then at the same time nakakapalinis ka. So that's 2 in 1. So yeah, just contact Hyla Pampanga. I'm gonna put all their contact details